My name is Daniel Moore. I'm a leading communications warfare specialist in the Royal New Zealand Navy, and we're going to do a tour of the lifeboat. So the only times we'll use the lifeboat is when we're abandoning ship, so when we're either going to not be able to stop the fire, the flood, or the toxic gas, and then we'll abandon ship. So this life raft is quite maneuverable. It can do 6 knots and it can do 200 nautical miles. They're specifically designed for cargo ships and tanker ships which carry fuel. We can safely maneuver the lifeboat through the oil or burning substances and get to safety. The replacement to this is the life rafts, and they're sitting on the surface of the water, so they flex and they're quite uncomfortable and they get tipped over by the waves and stuff like that, so the boat is much more luxurious compared to that. So we're expecting to stay in the lifeboat for up to 5 days. That's the average time of rescue for a lifeboat. So we've got our fresh water down here. So usually in life rafts you would start drinking your water after the first day, but because we're in a lifeboat, we're enclosed and you're not exposed, we can start drinking water straight away and it will keep you feeling fresh for longer. So yeah, down in these cubby holes we've got our food rations. They're high energy bars and they get sliced up into pieces, and there's like 10,000 calories in a bar. So with 10,000 calories you can split that between 10 people and that's enough to sustain you for a day. So up the front of the life raft we've got the chemical toilet. So this toilet allows you to use the bathroom with people around you with some privacy. It's got a privacy curtain and it's got some chemicals to reduce the smell. So the comforts inside this lifeboat include air conditioning, so there's heating and aircon for the hotter climates, and you can open the doors and hatches to let air in when it's not too rough. The boat itself is self-stabilizing, so if it was to roll over in rough seas, it will flip back over. The worst part of being in this lifeboat would probably be the food. If you don't have any additional snacks with you, the food is bland and tasteless. It's like a white, chalky substance. So my father, he was a fisherman and he managed to sink his fishing boat, and he spent 14 days in a life raft, ended up washing up on the coast of Samoa, and he had not prepared any food, water or anything like that. It was just the base life raft, so this is much more luxurious compared to that.